Alright, so my name is Hira Baloch and I'm going to evaluate study.com according to the ISTE standards. Study.com, why I chose it? Because I have been using it since 1 year now in my anthropology sociology classes in an American curriculum private Dubai private school. It is actually study.com. It's an online education platform designed to make learning accessible, engaging for students, teachers, and it's actually a vast library of video based lessons and courses. It has practice quizzes and study tools across subjects like maths, science, history, and other social sciences. So I'm going to evaluate it according to all the standards of IST here. Dimension 1 requires like the dimension 1, it's related to, is this product easy to use, can I quickly find what I need, is everything I need a click or two away. So if I'll see the indicators here, I have 1.1, which is value proposition. Yes, it provides structured lesson plans, quizzes, videos that align with educational standards, making it an efficient resource for the teachers. It also has an AI on the dashboard to help teachers help them create lesson plans and assignments for the students. I'll just log in. I'm using the shared credential that we have access to in our school. This is the dashboard. This is how our dashboard looks like, and you have the AI here. So you can just find the lessons. You can ask the AI to help you create your lesson plans or assignments aligned with your standard common core standards and state standards. 1.2, the product provides an easy and accessible login. Yes, the login page is very easy to locate, as I just log in front of you right now. You can use it, your email or Google credentials for logging into the page. 1.3, navigation. The product allows users to navigate content efficiently. Yes, with its search feature and lesson categories, the user-friendly layout of this platform actually makes it easy for users to find information. So if I'm looking for anthropology, for example, I can get all the top results here, including the assignments, quizzes, courses, topics, lessons, flashcards. If I want to filter them according to the lessons only, I can find the lessons with the videos related to all the anthropology topics. You can particularly write the topics here in anthropology that you want to assign to the kids, or you want to show the videos to the kids. You have courses as well. So for anthropology, if I want to just get in help creating the entire course for anthropology, they have the entire course here with chapter names, with each chapter having the lessons inside, with quizzes as well. You have the take the practice test, you have the exam in the end as well. You can actually attempt the exam, or you can see the progress here for the kids and everything. The product is 1.4, the product is visually structured for usability. Yes, it has a very clean design, very structured, easy to read fonts, clear buttons, and logically organized elements. So you can see all the buttons here, very clear. Even if I'll go to one of the lessons, for example, the first introduction to anthropology, you can see the video quizzes here. You can assign it from here, the course related to it. You have the entire reading part content here as well. Lesson summary is here. FAQs are here for them to get the help. You have the transcript for the video as well. Fill in the blank transcript. You have the worksheet that you can assign to the kids, and the answer key as well. 1.5, that states discoverability. The product allows teachers to quickly find relevant content. Yes, the platform does provide a strong, powerful feature, categorize lesson structures that make content easily accessible, as I showed you for the anthropology. All are very easily under the topics, aligned correctly, organized way. 1.6 is student view. Teachers can see what students see when using the product. So yes, You can actually see, if I'll go to my first dashboard where I have my classes and I have assigned the my classroom assessments. For example, I have assigned this one. I have two girls who submitted on time. They scored 60-20% in the first attempt, how many attempts they have attempted, whether they have watched it or just visited the assignment, and whether they have completed it, what time they have completed it. So we can track that as well. 1.7, which is customizable interface. The product allows for personalized settings or not? No. There is customization is nearly impossible. We teachers cannot modify or customize any lessons or quizzes or assignments. They are ready made available on the platform that you can just assign. 1.8 is support. The product provides accessible helps, resources and tutorials. Yes, you have the tutorials for the teachers as well, teacher solutions there as well, instant answers. You have an online tutor there. You can ask any questions to them and they can give you the answers quickly. You have FAQs, you have email support, you have tutorial videos that guide teachers and students as well, and every kind of help tutorials are available. Professional development is there, their courses is there as well. Professional learning communities, you are connected with them as well. You have even the certification as well. Then I have 1.9, which says the product integrates with other platforms. So yes, when we assign our classrooms, not too much, but why I've given it 1, because you can, as you can see here, Canvas is the platform that we used in our other platform that we use in our school for providing them assignments and quizzes. So you can align it or integrate with Canvas as well. It can be integrated into Google Classrooms as well, and directly in study.com as well. So I'm not sure about all the platforms, but it is accessible to the platforms that we use. So that's why I've given it 1. Then you have data privacy. Yes, study.com, it outlines its data privacy policies, including the general data protection regulation. It does provide you all the information regarding all the licensing, and they will they have clarified that how it stores the student data and how they use it. And there is an honor code for students as well. All of the term privacy policies are mentioned on the website as well. Now I have dimension 2, which is related to the 2.1, which is learning outcome. The lesson does follow structured learning objectives aligned with common core and standards. It does also show how much they have finished completing the courses. So they can actually see by themselves as well, and we can also see how much they have completed the course, or how many lessons they have completed or attempted the quizzes on the platform. So you can see that. So if this is the course they are doing, it's very much mentioned here that 16% it's completed. That means 16% videos they have watched it and attended the quiz, and how much they have scored and everything. You have student goals. 2.2 is student goals. No, there is no built-in student goal setting feature on this platform. 2.3 is chunking. Content is broken into appropriate segments. Yes, lessons are well structured with short videos, quizzes that prevent information overload. 2.4 is content type. The product effectively uses multiple content. Yes, it does integrate videos. You have the videos related to it. You have text provided related to the lesson as well. You have worksheets. You have flashcards as well for the engagement. 2.5 is content adjacents. So yes, videos and text explanation are placed together allowing for easy references. quizzes, learning objectives, everything is provided on the same page. You can see uh, they all are placed together, all the related content, whether there is a transcript to the video, whether it's the notes for the topic, everything is aligned there. 2.6 is activities encourage knowledge retrieval. Yes, the student can watch the video at this. Once they are done, they can immediately go and fill in the blank. Um, they can do the fill in the blank for the transcript they heard. They can do the worksheet related to it and instantly get the answers to see whether they how much they have scored or how much they have understood the lesson. 2.7 is teachers can adjust content flow. No, teachers cannot customize options, they cannot modify any content. 2.8 is applied examples. Yes, it does. The videos and the information which I have experienced, they do include practical application in different histories, different countries' history, sciences, and other subjects as well. So that's why I've given it 1. 2.9 is reflection tools are embedded. No, there are no dedicated note taking or structure reflection tools on the platform provided. That's why it's -1 for this one. I have dimension 3, which is related to digital pedagogy. So I have given all -1 because it does not like it has some case studies for them, but it's not a primary feature. So students cannot solve real world problems on the platform. They cannot analyze or define problems, or it does not require students to evaluate the sources, or they do not emphasize structured problem solving methodologies. And it's actually primarily a self-paced platform with no collaborative functionality as well. So that's why and even no major digital citizenship components included. So that's why for digital pedagogy there is all -1 for this platform. Then I'll move to dimension number 4, which is diverse representation. Yes, the content, the lessons cover all the global history, cultures, but some subjects lack diverse voices, but most of them do have the diverse perspective. That's why I've given it 1. Empathy opportunity, very few interactive discussions encourage empathy building, otherwise it's not. That's why I've given it 1. 4.3 is meet accessibility standards. Yes, captions are available on the videos and the content is screen reading friendly. So if you have any topics here, you can actually have for example, any topic, you play the video, you have the options to have the so you have captions available on the video as well, and content is also screen reader friendly here. 4.4 promotes awareness of social equity. No, it's very limited content. Very limited content covers structure inequality and power dynamics. I'll move to dimension 5, which is assessment and data. So assessment aligned with learning objectives. Yes, they are aligned with the Common Core standards. Quizzes and tests directly related to the lesson and content are provided on each lesson. You have assessment criteria are clear. 5.2, students receive detailed answer explanation, feedback for what answers they have given it, whether they are correct, whether they are not. The answer keys are available there as well. 5.3 assessment types. Yes, you have different multiple choice questions, you have flashcards, you have video based assessments that you can assign to the kids as well. 5.4 is the performance demonstration. So I have given it -1 because no, all the assignments that we can only assign to the students are pre-made, are pre-prepared. We cannot modify, or even the students don't have the authority or had the choice to upload or submit any subjects or projects or essays by themselves. So that's why I've given it -1. Feedback, yes, there's instant quiz feedback, helps students understand mistakes. So it's there. 5.6 is performance results. It does provide progress tracking for student learning, as I showed you in the dashboard before. which provides you exactly how many students have completed it, how many students have not, how much they have attempted it. 5.7 track students activity. Yes, it provides the data um, on quiz scores, lesson completion, and time spent on each of the assignments by the students separately. So you can see how many are in progress, how many have passed the due, how many have completed the task. You can track all the student activity, whether they have watched the video, whether they have not, how many attempts they have done for the assignment, whether they have completed it or is it overdue on them, they haven't even opened up the assignment. So all of them is there. 5.8, that's the end. Overall, it's a very strong edtech platform for self-paced learning with structured lessons, assessments, and multimedia content. However, it does lack interactive collaboration. Customizability features are lacking in this platform. It is best suited for individual learning rather than project-based or inquiry-driven instructions. So that's it. Thank you so much.